wireless adapters. So if you got some in-ear monitors, you can grab one of these things, and basically it turns those IEMs into basically a Bluetooth thing. So this thing is now fully charged up, and I found a problem with these things. So my right ear, you hold down the button and it pairs and it's fine, but the left ear now doesn't turn on whatsoever. I've tried resetting it, I've tried deleting it from my Bluetooth device, I've done literally everything I can do, downloaded the app which is the Play Plus, and still no luck. So if you guys out there could advise me what the hell is going on. I haven't used this in quite some time, and when I had to charge these things up because they were completely flat, and now this thing does not charge. Even though I've charged up and the light's gone green, which tells me that it's fully charged, the case is fully charged, this has no indicator light flashing on it, whereas the right is working perfectly fine. Do I just use the right? Is there something wrong with these? And still no luck as well. So I've got on these things, I've got some SE215s, and there is I think I've got another pair as well tucked down somewhere. So I tried changing these out as well, and still the same thing happens. So if you guys out there could let me know what's going on with these things, give me some tips, because the last thing I want to do is end up buying another or finding another one of these just to get them both working. Otherwise at this stage all I can do is use the right one, which use anyway, just to pair it anyway. But why is the left one now dead? Anyway, this has been Ace. How about someone out there could give me some tips on what the hell do I do next? As always, peace out.